In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to Manychat in 2025. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth connection so you can enhance your customer engagement through automated messaging. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Manychat account. If you're new to Manychat, it's a platform that allows you to build powerful chatbots for your social media channels, which can be a game changer for businesses. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access the platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to My Profile. You can do this easily by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This is your dashboard's central hub where you can manage your accounts and settings. Next, you'll want to create a new account connection. Look for the option labeled plus create new account and select it. This will open up a list of channels that you can connect to Manychat. For our purpose today, you'll be focusing on Instagram. So go ahead and select Instagram from the list provided. After selecting Instagram, you'll see an option to click Go to Instagram. Click on it and you'll be redirected to Instagram's login page. Here, input your Instagram credentials to proceed. It's crucial to double check your login details to avoid any access issues. Once logged in, Instagram will prompt you to grant Manychat the necessary permissions. Be sure to carefully review these permissions as they allow Manychat to access and manage your Instagram account. Granting these permissions is essential for seamless chatbot functionality on the platform. After permission is granted, you'll be asked to choose the Instagram account you want to connect. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any confusion later. It's always a good idea to double check these details to ensure everything is correctly set up and running. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, there's a simple troubleshooting step you can try. Resetting your Facebook permissions for Manychat might help resolve connectivity problems. Sometimes permissions need to be refreshed to establish a proper connection. This can often be done through the settings in your Facebook business account where Manychat is also integrated. And there you have it. Connecting your Instagram account to Manychat in 2025 is a straightforward process designed to enhance your social media automation and audience interaction. With these steps, you'll be able to leverage Manychat's powerful tools to engage with your Instagram audience more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials to help you get the most out of your digital tools. Thank you for joining me today, and happy chatting.